Welcome back. Today we're going to take a quick look at the top 40 crypto coins by market cap. We'll be starting with Aptos, who has been going bananas for the past 7 days, past 24 hours. Aptos, ApeCoin, we did Quant already, Near Protocol, Lido DAO, Cronos, Filecoin, Algorand, Hedera Hashgraph, Hedera. Old habits die hard. And we'll be ending it with VeChain. Let's get straight into it. Okay, am I looking at VeChain? Aptos against BTC. We're going bananas. How much higher are we going to go? We don't know. Are we going to go all the way up close to the highs over here on Binance? Possibly. Are we going to take out these highs? Very likely. Okay, if we drop down to the smaller time frames, I don't normally do this, but if we drop down, is this what I would consider as a tradable chart pattern? No. Will it be a big dip eventually? Probably. So yeah, as bullish and as volatile as it is, Aptos is not considered as tradable, not to me, because I just don't see it yet. Because whenever you put on a trade, you must already have a set level of where you want to be taking profits. Because if you are in a trade and you are just blindly in the trade without knowing where to take profits, then you could just lose everything, right, to let it run. And sometimes if you take profits, you could be taking profits too early without a proper set target. So there you go. That's our thoughts for Aptos against BTC. Aptos against USDT, the same freaking thing. We're at $18. Yes, at the very low, it was $3. Of course, nobody knows where the bottom is, and nobody knows where the top is. And yeah, again, it's just largely untradeable to me at this point of time. I just don't see the trade yet. Is there a possibility that Aptos could just keep going higher and higher? Of course, very slim possibility, but absolutely possible. But yeah, I just don't see the trade yet for Aptos. Eventually, hopefully, but yeah, not at this point of time, right? It is very, very bullish. And imagine, when things were here, would you have guessed that it will continue higher, right? You wouldn't have known, right? So that's why it's very important to have a proper trading strategy and not just blindly going. Okay, let's just imagine you go in right now, right? What if, right? We don't know. What if things start dropping lower, right? What if we drop all the way back down, right? 70, 75, 80%. You would have lost the whole, let's say if you got in here at $10,000, you would have lost $8,000, right? And you'll be left with only $2,000. I mean, that's very dangerous, right? Or if you went in here, of course, everybody is hoping that every trade that they go in is a winning trade. So, I mean, of course, if you rise, then that's great. Absolutely great. But where are you going to take profits? You're going to take profits near here? What if you go even higher? What if you go into triple-digit territory, right? So, yeah, so it's very dangerous, in my opinion, to be jumping into a trade for Aptos at this point of time. It's not for us. We're not going to do it. But or I don't know if this if you are, I don't know, if you have full confidence that Aptos is something that will that has strong fundamental value, then hey, good luck to you, but not to us. Eventually, of course, if Aptos comes out with a very clear consolidation, we would love to take a trade for Aptos. But until that happens, we're not going to be rushing into anything. So stay safe and yeah, don't rush into anything. I just don't see it on Aptos yet, right? Not at this point of time. Eventually, maybe, but not at this point of time. ApeCoin, let's go. Ape against BTC. So for ApeCoin, yeah, I think we're moving sideways. I would love it if we could do something like this, right? A very clear rally back towards the upside. But the thing is, I just don't see the reversal chart pattern yet. I'm not saying that Aptos cannot make a move higher, but I'm saying that I just don't see the chart pattern, right? To be honest, I would prefer it if ApeCoin, Aptos, did I say Aptos? ApeCoin fell lower, right? And this would be a very nice mountain range that we fell from, right? And then after that, we see strong bullish momentum pushing higher, strong buying pressure coming in, big green candlesticks, big green bars over here, right? Pushing the price higher. But yeah, it's not happening yet. I don't see it yet. I don't see the big green bars coming in to push the price higher yet. Everything is still in kind of consolidating, accumulating, and we are still not too clear about the direction of ApeCoin against BTC, Ape against USDT. Yes, we're in some sort of a rally, and the skinny pink line has appeared, which means that it has already been 314 days that ApeCoin has been in the charts. So that's why we see the skinny pink line. It's a 314 moving average. Any clear signs of a proper, yeah, we don't see yet. No proper reversals yet. We just took out the highs over here with this candlestick just today. We took out the highs. I don't know if we're going to be getting a shooting star or not, but yeah, I think there's some resistance for ApeCoin at this point of time. So either one of two things is going to happen. Either if we're going to drop a little bit lower, have a proper consolidation right under the nose of the skinny pink line, and then we break higher, or there's going to be strong buying pressure coming in. Huge green volume over here to push the price higher. Either one. But again, this is just not our kind of a trade. We just don't see the chart pattern yet. You might argue that this is a falling channel, but no, not for us. We just don't see it yet, so yeah, stay safe. Don't rush into anything, stay safe. Moving on will be Near Protocol, Near against BTC. So this is Near, nope, nothing. We have nothing for Near. We are under the skinny pink line, so the bearish trend is still largely intact. We're very close to taking out the lows over here, so will we continue with a consolidation bearish chart pattern to head lower? Possibly. Can we count 5 waves? No, we can count 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. I suspect there's another one, 5 coming down. The only question we have is how high is 4? Is this the high of 4? Will there be another high for 4 before we drop down for a 5? We are not too sure. Will there be 5 or will there be just 3, right? A, B, C kind of a chart pattern, right? And then we start a reversal. We are not too sure. We're just not too sure of things at this point of time. We would love more clarity, but yeah, such is life. You don't always get everything you want. Near against USDT. Yes, we are in a rally, and I can also count 5 waves. 1, this whole thing is a 2, up for a 3, this whole thing is a 4, 5. Oh, we're very close to the end. Very close. I don't know how much higher we're going to go. Of course, I could be wrong. This could be a whole thing with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have not zoomed into the smaller time frames yet. I'm just purely guessing that the end may not be too far away. But the skinny pink line is still a distance away, so there's still some buffer to go for Near against USDT. So we might just go close to the skinny pink line, right? Before the skinny pink line acts as a proper resistance, and then we bounce off of it. Maybe. Maybe not. Excuse me. We're not too sure. We're not too sure at this point of time. So stay safe, stay safe. But I feel like there's potential for Near for a reversal. But yeah, again, I just can't see it yet. Not at this point of time. This is actually a bullish engulfing, which is good. On a weekly, yeah, there's some buying pressure coming in. We're still not too sure though. We're still not too sure. I feel that there's still another dip coming on for Near. So yeah, stay safe, stay safe. Lido down, LDO against BTC. LDO has been on a rampage. Any clear signs of a continuation towards the upside? Nope. Any clear tradable chart patterns? Nope. This was a very nice falling channel. Falling channel, falling wedge. Boom! Are we gonna get a continuation chart pattern towards the upside? Time will tell. LDO against USDT. Here we are. Okay, I like LDO. Why? Because this is a very nice, very nice potential squeeze coming on. This could be an A, B, C, D, E. Boom! Sayonara bitches. We head towards $10 double-digit territory for LDO. This will be great though. So yeah, usually before the rocket takes off, there will be we will build a platform for the rocket. And then once the platform is built, the rocket will take off. And then smoke comes out. And it just, flies out and beats everybody. Sayonara bitches! Any clear signs of a bullish continuation? Yeah, I don't think this is bullish. To me, I think that's more likely than not LDO could be heading lower. If, of course, I have zero control over the markets. But if LDO does go higher, then this will be very sad. I will feel very sad. The reason being, it doesn't, it's not going to form a proper platform for LDO to rise higher. It's just, it's just going to, not be the kind of trade that we're hoping to take. So we'll see how it goes first though. We shall see. I'm hoping for something like this, right? But something which is less volatile than when it is, than when it rose, right? Something less volatile. I don't even mind if it could, drop back down to like, I don't know, $1.10 maybe before heading higher, right? This could be a very nice consolidation before heading higher. It could be, several months in the making. So I'm looking forward for it happening. But if it doesn't, then hey, c'est la vie. C'est la vie. Cronos against BTC. OKX. Okay, we'll look at it on OKX. Cronos against BTC. Here we are. We've been zooming in and out, down the skinny pink line, up the skinny pink line, down the skinny pink line. But this deep, this bear trend that came is different from this. This was just absolute waterfall. This was a very slow controlled move. Hey, do you see that? Do you see that? Everything is manipulated. Yeah, and we're very close to taking out all the stop sells over here. So my guess, again, this is just pure guessing because we just don't have any targets for CRO against BTC. I think we're going to hit a little bit lower, take out all of these clusters of stop sells before seeing some sort of a reversal. This is going to be beautiful. Why? Because this is going to be something like a very, very big, again, right, a springboard in the making. The platform for the rocket. Houston, we're ready to go. 10, 9, 8, 2, 1. Sayonara, Mitas! And then CRO goes crazy. Yeah, but it is going to take some time to build, right? A long time to build before the rocket launches. But I think CRO has potential. CRO against USDT on OKX. Yeah, I just don't see it. Yeah, we're still down. Down in the trenches. We're still in a downtrend. Are we about to end the move towards the downside? I can't say for sure. I can also count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This could already be the end of things, and yeah, we could be heading back up. But again, I just don't see the reversal chart pattern yet. Everything still looks like mountains to me. You see this mountain? Right, down, right, mountain. This was a descending triangle. Down, right. Everything still looks like mountains, right? Again, clear clusters of stop sells. So we could be heading lower for CRO against USDT, right? We need things to start looking like valleys, right? Valleys. We need valleys to come in. We need clear consolidation above the skinny pink line. We're under the skinny pink line. So yeah, even if there's a strong rally, I suspect that there could still be a big dip towards the downside. We must still head back to under 5 cents maybe. Again, I'm purely guessing at this point of time because I just don't have any targets for CRO and I just don't see the bullish reversal yet for CRO. So stay safe, don't rush into anything. Filecoin against BTC. Here we are. Yeah, Filecoin's not doing good. This is a new low. It's a lower low for Filecoin against BTC. Any clear signs of a reversal? Nope. Could we still hit lower for Filecoin against BTC? Of course. Yeah, it's very, very weak. You know, the rally that has come very weak. Strong rally would be something like this. You see this? You see this green series of green candles? Yeah, this is a very strong rally, but this is just a very weak rally. And this is not what we want. Even this rally on the 30th of July, right, 2022 was a stronger one. This is quite weak. So yeah, I don't know. I don't feel really confident about Filecoin against BTC. I don't think this is the bottom. I think there could still be another bottom. But again, this is just pure guessing. All we know is that we're still under the skinny pink line. So the bearish trend is still on for Filecoin against USDT. Filecoin against BTC. Filecoin against USDT. We still have a target over here at $2.40. And we're still expecting $2.40 to be hit eventually. Of course, we could be wrong. And if we do things like, you know, like this, right? If you do a very nice squeeze over here, right under the nose of the skinny pink line, and then we break it with huge momentum, huge buying volume, huge green dildos towards the upside, then hey, this will be awesome. This will be awesome for Filecoin, but yeah, I just don't see it yet. We still have our $2.40 target, and yeah, I still feel that more downside is possible at this point of time. Until we see the chart pattern forms, we're not going to be rushing into anything, right? Risk management is priority. Safety is number one priority, as said by Crazy Russian Hacker. ALGO against BTC. Crazy Russian Hacker's YouTube channel. And he always starts his YouTube videos with safety is number one priority. So for ALGO against BTC, we have a target fresh out of the oven for you. The target is at 714. We are at 1061. How many more percent? Yeah, there's still another 33% more to go towards the downside. Could we be wrong? Of course. But we're still under the skinny pink line, right? We broke back up above the skinny pink line. We failed to stay above it. We broke back down. And now, yeah, I think we're heading towards 714. But I think potentially, eventually, we might get something like a big inverse head and shoulders. This whole thing could be a left shoulder. We come back down, hit 714, come back up, complete the head, Get right shoulder. Sayonara, bitches! And we go to the moon. This will be great though. But yeah, again, we're still not too sure. We still have downside targets, and there is no rally coming on for ALGO against BTC. Feels like we're consolidating. And if you were to zoom in closer, looks like, you know, an inverse cup and handle, right? Mountain 1, Mountain 2, Mountain 3. We could be heading lower. So be careful about rushing into a trade too soon for ALGO against BTC. ALGO against USDT is very likely going to reflect the same thing. ALGO against USDT, okay, we don't have targets for it, but yeah, as long as we still have downside targets for ALGO against BTC, we're going to proceed very cautiously with ALGO USDT. We're still largely under the skinny pink line as well, right? We're still in a very big downtrend. Could we hit higher for ALGO? Yeah, of course we could. Of course, for sure, you could be heading towards the skinny pink line before seeing some sort of a deep down, or we could just be forming, you know, a lower low, right? Maybe we build a small mini inverse head and shoulders over here. This would be great, but yeah, we just don't see it yet, and we need more information first before making a move for ALGO run. Hedera H graph, HBAR against BTC. So for HBAR, okay, this is largely gone. We already, did we take out everything? Yeah, we took out the highs over here, and we have already formed a very clear resistance line over here, right? And could we see a reversal from here? Of course, but we're still largely under the skinny pink line, so there could still be a continuation towards the downside. Do we still have our downside targets? Is it still valid at this point of time? In my opinion, at this point of time, yes, it's still valid. I know that we've already taken out the tops of the mountain ranges, but we're still largely in a downtrend. I mean, of course, we could be wrong, right? And we could form an ascending triangle over here, and then we hit higher for HBAR against BTC. Absolutely possible, but we just don't see the bullish chart pattern yet. And again, I'm still adamant at this point of time, right? I will stand on this hill alone. If I have to, I will still stand on this hill. And my opinion is that we're still heading lower to 154. We're at 290, so more downsides to be expected for HBAR against BTC. And we're still largely in a downtrend, so I'm feeling fairly okay. Let's say, for example, there's a bull-bear slider, right? I'm like 60 bear, 40 bull for HBAR against BTC at this point of time, right? HBAR against USDT. Where are we? HBAR USDT. Okay, it's a very strong rally. This is great. We still don't have any downside targets though for HBAR against USDT, but I'm very suspicious of HBAR against USDT because there's a cluster of stop sells over here, and this is just too close to it, right? And HBAR could be forming a very big head and shoulders. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, collapse. Yes. Not too good. Not too good. I don't like what I'm seeing. But if HBAR does form again ascending triangles over here, right under the nose of the skinny pink line, and then we break higher, hallelujah, this will be great. But yeah, we just don't see it yet, so we just can't. Not at this point of time. We can't make decisions based on short day information. We need better information first. We just don't see it yet, so yeah, we just can't. There's a lot of coins that we just can't make any moves yet, right? There are a few coins that we're looking at, and we still expect more downside for those coins. If you've been watching my, every week or every day you've been watching it, then you will know which are the coins I'm talking about. And HBAR is not one of it, but we still have downside targets for a lot of coins, a lot of the other coins as well. VeChain against BTC, where we VET against BTC. Yeah, we're still largely under the skinny pink line, so more downside is still to be expected. I don't see the reversal yet. This low is too close. I don't think so. No clear rallies, no strong big green volume, big green dildo. Nope, we don't see no dildos yet. So again, more downside is still to be expected for VeChain against BTC. So be careful about rushing to a trade too soon for VeChain BTC, VeChain USDT. Yeah, we still have our target over here. Excuse me. 1.23 cents. We're at 2.32. So are we gonna see another deep lower? Potentially. I think if you were to drop to 0.0123, we'll probably take out the lows over here as well. And after that, maybe see some sort of a reversal, right? Something like that. That's my guess. Yes? No? We're not too sure. Is there a clear bullish reversal coming in for VeChain yet? Not yet. Eventually, hopefully, but not yet. I think there's still going to be more downside. I think so. Yeah, but I just don't see it yet. So, yeah. I mean, of course, I could be wrong and we could be switching bullish, but I just don't see it yet. So, stay safe. Don't rush into anything. I still feel there's more downside. Of course, I could be wrong. And if we see clear bullish reversals, we will switch our bias from bear to bull. But until then, stay safe. Right? See you in the next daily. Hope you guys have a great day. Ta-ta.